Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching 5 Minute Learning, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to write an application for full fee concession. So let's get started. To the principal, Islamabad College for Boys, Islamabad. Sir, I beg to state that my father is a poor government employee. He is the only earning member of our family. I have four school going brothers and sisters, so it is not possible for him to bear my educational expenses anymore. I therefore pray and hope that you would be kind enough to grant me full fee concession. Yours obediently, XYZ. Thank you for watching. If you like my content and want to support the channel, please think about subscribing. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.